Hello, hi everyone. So I have listed down three problem. Okay, these three problem can be solved very fast actually. If you know that formula. Okay, so if we take the question number one. Okay, in the question number one, what we have, y is equal to cos x. Okay, to the power cos x, to the power cos x. Okay, like this, infinity. Okay, so if something is like this, and then if you want to do the differentiation, right? So into that case, what we have to do, uh, we have to remember one formula. That formula is y square and divided by 1 minus log y. Okay, so this formula you have to remember. Now here, what is there? Cos x. So into cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and the same thing you have to do the division. Okay, cos x. So it is something like minus y square tan x, correct, and divided by 1 minus log y. Okay, so when something is like that, this is your common formula. This much you have to remember. Y square divided by 1 minus log y, and whatever you have, do the differentiation, cos x differentiation, minus sin x and divided by cos x. So similarly for this, so here for this one, what we have, y square. Okay, y square minus divided by 1 minus log y, and x, differentiation of x is what, 1, and divided by x. So this is a answer for this one. Another one for this one, what is that, y square, correct, and 1 minus log y, correct, into differentiation of tan square, sec square x, correct, and we have to divide the same thing, tan y. So tan y, sorry, tan x, right? So first thing is that if something is like this, y square divided by 1 minus log y is the common, then tan x differentiation is sec square and divided by the same tan x. So here also y square 1 minus log y is the common, and 1 x, differentiation of x is 1 and divided by the same x. Okay, for y is equal to cos x to the power cos x to the power cos x infinity for this question. Okay, y square divided by 1 minus log y is the common, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and cos x division of same thing, cos x, right? So this is sin x by cos x can be written as tan x also. So y square tan x divided by 1 minus log y. Okay, and we have put the minus here. Okay, so this is the answer. So if you know the trick, this question can be done very fast, less than in 10 seconds. Okay, so please do remember. So here we can write what is the answer for this, minus y square tan x, right, and 1 minus log y. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.